After graduating college, one of the biggest questions is what's next? But Honolulu Community College provides educational opportunities to help students be ready to go right into the workforce. Why would you say college is a good idea?
College is always a good idea. Whether it is at a 2-year college or a 4-year college, it's always good to get more education because we're seeing more and more jobs requiring higher education. A high school diploma is no longer enough to make a living wage. Honolulu Community College is very special because we are located in the urban core of Oahu, very easy to get to with public transportation, walking distance for a lot of our students. Also because we offer a wide breadth of programs, not only the liberal arts, but also we are probably known in the community for our various career and technical education programs. These include automotive technology, refrigeration AC technology, the electricians program, fashion, cosmetology. So it's a wide range of programs and very much geared towards the workforce because we're definitely seeing employers wanting to recruit from our campus because they know that students are getting hands-on skills, they're getting the hands-on training that they need so that they are ready for the workforce. With many of these programs, well over 80% of our student graduates are getting jobs right out of the gate. We're hearing back from employers now that they are pleased with the level of training our programs are giving to the students so that students are just kind of ready to go. So students should get on our website, honolulu.hawaii.edu. This is a great place for students to come to explore and yet also get a great education.